Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shanky's Trading, and today I have something new, as usual So today we have something new that is called BitBNS, okay? So this platform, so what is the specialty in this platform? And easily, without any knowledge, you can just go ahead with a very simple, and the earning is very good. So over here upside, you can just see that a lot of things are there. Shiba Inu, crypto gift card is there, then prediction to win, a lot of things are there to explore on that. So the basics, what we have to do in Bits BNS, I'll just teach you, and how, there's a two good options, like how to lend, and you can lend it for some time and you can just get a good amount of interest. You can get an interest on that. That's the logic. And the second thing is this is the only, I think, this is the only platform where it has more than 350 coins. Okay, this is a platform where you have more than 350 coins, so that's a good part. So anything you can go for a holding also, like for interest in Ethers, or maybe like Shiba Inu, XRP, whatever you want to just go ahead. And this is our platform, okay, that is called BitBNS. The links will be provided at the bottom, so don't worry. Okay, so now what is the features and how to go ahead with that? So in every, whatever you are just trading in any platform, the first thing comes in the deposit. So that's the problem with everyone. So how to deposit money? It's very simple. Just go in the wallet. There you can just see the deposit INR. Over here, just ask you the detail. You can just pay by. It's up to you with UPI or bank ID. So once you click this, it will ask for that. Because my KYC is already done. Okay. So my KYC is already done. So it will ask for that. So I just deposited. Just I just started with 100, then 2009, and like that I did. Okay. That's the scenario. So now, so the KYC, and once you just upload, that is a very simple, basic thing. So that's not a more difficult part. So here, if you just go in a market, okay, so if you go in a market, then just go with the USD INR, because it's just 24/7 here. So here you can just see that, there's a graph also that seemed like our, what we use in the morning in the live market. So here's the difference, the same thing, nothing special on that. So there is a limit order, there is a market order, there is a stop limit, there is a bracket order. The limit order, maybe everybody knows that. If you want to, if right now you can just see that it is at 78.56 and you have to take an entry at 78.50. So definitely we'll put that, 78.50 over here. Market order, whatever the present strike price is running, that is your market order. Stop limit, so here trigger at what price you have to just keep your stop loss, or trail. Okay, if you want to trail, then you can put that position where you want to trail your stop loss accordingly. And this is a bracket order over here, so the volume is there. So the same, the target sell order means where you want to just get your exit point, you can do that. That is the thing. And trailing SL, it will just keep on, going up. The basics of SL. The SL will go on changing, if it's volatile. But in USD INR, the volatility is not, so high. So it's very easy for you. In limit order, what happens is like in wallet, there is 3,500 right now. So if you want to use it 25%, okay, or 50%, or maybe 75%, or 100%. So it's up to you. So what happens is like you don't have to go here and put every time, the calculation of the volume, what you want, 300 or 200 rupees, whatever you want. You can just put that, 25%, 50%, or maybe 75% or 100%. Like that, you can just go ahead. The basic over here. So if you want to just trade in USD and INR, okay. And the another feature, the good feature, what I was talking about is this. So, what is the meaning of borrow and lend? So borrowing means you are taking a loan from someone. Okay. So the meaning of borrow means you are borrowing money from someone. Lend means you are just giving the money to someone. So this is what we will do. Okay, so this is what we will do. And here, if you are lending, okay, if you are lending some money, obviously if you are lending some money, then definitely you'll just ask for some interest. So this column, okay, this is a column, this is the asking interest rate from the lender, and this column, okay, this is the asking interest rate from the borrower. So here the borrower is ready to take, at 14.6%, and here the lender is ready to give at 15.699. So that's the reason the trade is not going in between these two. Okay, that's the reason the trade is not going in between these two, because the lender is asking for 15.69 and the borrower is asking for 14.6%. So here, if the interest, okay, so what is the scenario is that if you want to borrow somebody and if you know that the borrower is ready to take it at 14.6, then yes, you can go with your orders and you can just give that 14.6%. and for if you want to lend it for 1 day, 3 day, or 7 day, it's up to you. Okay, it's up to you, like for 1 or 3 1 day, 3 day, or 7 days. So it's better, according to me, you can go with 7 days. So what happens is like in 7 days you can just put something and just leave it. So what happens, like you'll get your interest, and as well as whatever the amount you're just the borrower is just giving you, you will just get it with the principal amount. Okay, if you're just lending $100, so the principal will be your $100 as well as the interest what you're putting, you know, maybe 15% or 14% that will come to you. That is the logic. Okay, that's the basic. And now you can just see that. So we'll just go with the lending part. Okay, so lending part is asking in the USD. Okay, so now in wallet you can see that in wallet we have the 3,500. It is in INR. So we have to convert it. So what we can do is there is an option over here, trade quick swap. In quick swap you can go, then you can just put, you know, USD. So USD, you can USDT. There is the theta's over here. So we just convert it to that. So minimum it's asking, so we can just take 40 over here. Just converting. So buy order. Okay, USDT. This is what we have just bought right now. Okay, so the history, the order has been placed right now. So this is how you have to just, you know, convert it from just, you know, INR to USD first. So if you're just converting, you know, that logic from here, so this is where you have to go trade quick swap. So here you have to convert that and then come here in margin. Okay, so first step is you have to go in this quick swap, convert your INR to your this thing USD, and then come into the margin. Okay, and the margin you can see that there is 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, like that. You know, you can just go and lend the money. Okay, so here there is a lender. You can just see that, you know, volume over here. So you can just go with a 40 normal, and the interest rate whatever you want to just put 15. So this is what, you know, you're just giving it for something around you're just lending $40 at the interest rate of 15, you can say. So this is what you can, you know, what you will get back. The total is, if you're just lending, you will get up at around in 7 days. Okay, in 7 days what you will get. So I'm lending it for 7 days. I'm just putting that 40, the minimum. Okay, I'm putting at 40. This is my interest rate over here. So this is what I will get. So here the 40 is your principal amount. Okay, the 40 is your principal amount, and that 0.01 USD, that is your interest which you are earning in this 7 days. That is the logic. Okay, it's very simple over here. You can just start up with, like, you know, putting some minimum $40, maybe around 3,500, and just start up. And what happens is, like, you can just arrange, you know, if you know that the borrowers are like very eager to take, you know, like if you are not interested to give that what is that called, if you are not interested to give the interest rate of 15, so you can increase up to you. Maybe, like, you know, you can, if you have a, you know, like huge volume of, maybe you're putting $100 or $200, then it's up to you. You can, what you can do is you can put the interest rate of 20 also, or just see the market value 18, 20, 24. You can see that over here how they are lending. See the lending 24%. So how much for the volume is 918. So like that you can just do, see 20%. So it depends upon you, you know, how much you can hold. If you have a capacity, then you can give it, you know, lend it, like, you know, you can just put the $100 or $200 and you can lend it around, you know, maybe $14, you know, the percentage 14, 15, and it's 30 days is there, and you know, 30 days, 15 days, like that the scenario is. Okay, so that's the logic. And the leverage, I think, for the start will be for, you know, maybe 1x, you know, will be the leverage at the start, and slowly and gradually the leverage will be also given, like, you know, up till 4x. Okay, the leverage is up to 4x over here. So if you just see, you know, just lending it for 15. So देखते हैं अभी यहाँ पे. So see, you can only lend maximum of 1x. Okay, so that is the scenario. So if you want to lend, you know, as you are this thing, you know, if you want to lend, you can just lend as 1x, because at the starting it will take some time. So after it just sees that you are in a very good transaction with this BitBNS, then slowly and gradually you can increase that with the volume. Okay, so that's the scenario. Yeah, that is the thing. So you have to just check that. So I think it just started, so it will take some time. Just deposit the money. So this is a scenario. So this is a major part. Okay, in this. So if you lend the money over here, so that will be a good part for you. And then the borrower depends, you know, how much they want to buy. Like that it goes. Okay, so this is a main feature. So without doing anything, you can get a very good interest rate. You know, chup chap, put $100 or maybe $200 depending upon your capacity. And then whatever the orders are getting executed, it will just come at the bottom. Okay, over here, which are the bottom. You know, this will show you the orders detail over here. Okay, that's the scenario. And then if swap, we can just see that, you know, take some time, and then yeah, in the order history it's just selling, so it will take some time, then automatically it will just come in. Okay, so that's the logic over here in BitBNS. So yeah, just you can just take a look in it, go for the lending. That is a major option over here to find out. So this is a very good opportunity for you. So you can just have that patience for 1 week, and you can just get that, you know, small $0.01, or maybe if your capital is very good, you can invest and get a good one. Okay, so that's all for the days, guys. Just see it properly, and the links will be provided at the bottom. Take care, bye guys, see you.